fires back in July at a Bellevue apartment complex are now the fuel for a citywide ban on smoking at multi-resident buildings.
Now, the proposed ordinance change goes before the city council later today. Jenna James joins us now live to walk us through all the details. Jenna, good morning.
Good morning, Dave and Cerise. I'm outside the Gateway Park apartment complexes in Bellevue. Take a look behind me. Now, remember, there was those two fires in July on the 22nd and the 26th. Well, you can see that since that major fire on the 26th, they've since begun to repair that building. But also during that time, Bellevue City Council member Don Preister has proposed the ordinance change to, quote, save lives, properties, and costs. Now, the first fire at the complex ignited on July 22nd. You can see the flames destroy part of this building. In fact, the fire here damaged a third-floor apartment. Then the second fire broke out at the same apartment complex. The building left uninhabitable and displaced dozens of residents. 4 people were hurt, including a firefighter. Now, both of these two fires caused by carelessly discarded cigarettes, and because of that, Preister wants to change the city law.
My first concern is protecting our first responders. So when they keep happening in these apartments, that's a good place to start.
Now, the ban would include apartments with anything larger than 3 or more units, and it would be the first law of its kind here in Nebraska. So, Dave, Cerise, again, public comment tonight at the city council meeting at 6 o'clock.
Jen, anything else up for debate tonight in terms of banning things there at apartments?
The other big thing is going to be they already have charcoal grills that are banned, but now they're looking to ban also propane grills. And I do see a few of those up in the apartment complex behind me.
All right, Jenna James reporting live this morning. Jenna, thank you.